First, we're gonna start with the ellipse tool, that is L. Shortcut for the ellipse tool is L. Click and drag it. Make sure you press the shift key. Okay. Change the stroke to black and none. Give the fill none option. Okay. And make the stroke about 3. Fine. Okay. Then choose a rectangle tool. Shortcut for that is M. Okay. Fine. Just drag and drop. I'm gonna choose the shape builder tool. Shift M for that. First and select that. Delete it. The bun of the burger is ready. Okay, fine. Now we're gonna create like those should be curves for the bun. It won't be an arrow or a sharp edge. So we're gonna select the direct selection tool and get this nodes, which helps to create a curve for the object. Okay. Then we're gonna give a rectangle down below. Okay, fine. And with that, I'm gonna create a duplicate of this layer. Either you can press Command C and Command F, or else just press the Option key and just drag the object. Transform. Then again reflect, and I do it in the horizontal way so that it comes just above that. Okay, fine. Keep it. Select all. Okay, fine. Keep it all here. And we're gonna just reduce the size of the underneath one. Select all. I feel like done. Perfect. Then we're gonna add some leaves to the bun. Like you can either use the pencil tool or a brush, anything you like. Just roll leaves. We can scale it down after that. Press shift to get a straight line. Okay. You can either make it smooth using smooth tool. Okay, like this. It's your wish. If you want to make it as a sharp itself, what it happens adds the nodes to the object. Okay, see, extra node will be added, and you can get that curve. Here also we will do that. Yeah. Okay, fine. Yes, select object. Just reduce the size of the object. We'll make a copy. Same option. Select, transform, reflect. Give it a horizontal. Okay. Okay, we are done with that. Just add the colors. Okay. Add some brown to this one. Some brown to this one. And some dark shades to this one. Okay. And we can add cheese to the object, like say like this. Can continue it from here. Some of the things will go underneath. Again, press the okay. We'll go double click this one, add the smooth option. Okay. Then we're gonna select and add some small details. Remove the straw. Again, option key. It should be regular. Right. Okay. Move it aside. Now we're gonna create. Just you can actually, if you want to smooth it more, you can do that. If you're doing it in the first place itself, you're doing it in a proper way, it's fine. It's almost okay. You can either adjust the nodes with the help of the pen tool also. Okay. Now we're gonna make a French fry box. Okay. Rectangle. Select with color. This one. Okay. Direct selection tool. Select this node, click that node, press shift and press the arrow key. 1, 2, done. Again press the node, 1, 2. Then increase here, press here, 1, 2. Press here, 1. Press the node, press here, 1, 2. Okay. Now we're going to choose rectangle. Choose the ellipse tool. Okay. Select both, align to center right, and go for the shape builder tool. You can either use the shortcut. Shift M is the shortcut for that. Now we're gonna make the French fries inside. Okay, eyes is for picking up the eyedropper tool is for picking up the color from any other object. Send it back, right click, send it back, option command, this you can use the shortcut also, command backward. Okay, just rotate it. Okay, option use, keep it in the zigzag way. Then our french fries both are ready. I hope you like the video.